Hello folks, welcome to VijayKumarChirutha for Software Courses. Today we are going to discuss about Power BI course. Power BI full course. Let's discuss what are the topics that we are going to discuss today. So topics of the day. Topics of the day. Topics. First topic we are going to discuss data. What is data? What is data and its importance? This is first topic we are going to discuss, and the second topic, what is Power BI and why we need to learn and use Power BI. This is second topic, and the third topic which we are going to deal with, what are the advantages? What are the advantages and disadvantages of Power BI application? And the fourth, we have to discuss what are the different types of licenses are available to install Power BI. Install and use both. And the fifth topic and the final topic, so what are the prerequisites to install Power BI in our laptops? This is the goal of today's session. So let's see one by one. The first topic which we are going to deal, what is data and it's important. So first topic, what is data? What is data? Everybody knows that. What is data? So data is a new oil in the world. Data is a new oil in the world which helps to understand, estimate, make plans, strategies, do trend analysis of business, and forecasting analysis of business, a business or turnover, that you can say any business or turnover in day-to-day life of any business. So whatever business you take, so that business, every business requires some data to understand, estimate, make the plans for the better performance, for the better improvement of the business, and the better trend analysis also it helps for them how to take the decisions for the further days. And next what we do, the data helps to understand the huge amount of data. To understand huge amount of data, let's say for example millions of records. If there is millions of records in the sense data, millions of records or billions of records, billions of records. So let's say if we have this much of data, so it will difficult to understand. It will difficult to understand, the data and its insights to take decisions, decision making process. For this purpose we need some tool how to convert the raw data into the meaningful insights. So here we have to understand it. Now see here, we need some technology, you can say that technology or any tool that helps to convert that raw data, you can say that is raw data into meaningful understanding and interactive dashboards, sheets and reports. Here just have a look into this data. We do have so much of data. If we do have the millions of records, billions of records, in that very huge amount of data, any client, any customer, any business, so they can't able to understand it by looking at the raw data. So in that matter we require some technologies or tool to convert the raw data into meaningful understanding and interactive dashboards and reports. These dashboards and reports help them to understand their level of business just by looking at the reports. So for this purpose we need some tool. The tool name is Power BI and Tableau. So these two are the working very well on the building reports. So let's see one by one. Here the data comes from, you can say that data is coming from, I'm interested to add one more point here. So that data is collected from everywhere in the sense, let's say for example so in retail domain or retail industries, manufacturing industries or health industry or traveling or buying something or sell something or any such online or offline shoppings etc. Wherever you go, you are going to contribute some amount of data. You are going to contribute. You are going to contribute some amount of data. The data, you can say that we provide our ID, names, and we provide our mail ID, and we provide a location, the product which we buy or sell, products name, products and its names, and product ID, shipment, shipping information, and phone number. So likewise, we are going to provide the so much information in day-to-day life. So once we understand the data, so this data we can't able to understand just by looking at the raw data. So for that purpose we need some tool. The tool is Tableau and Power BI. So now this is the course for the Power BI. We can understand what is the use of Power BI here, how Power BI uses the data to convert that raw data into the meaningful insights, how the Power BI helpful to create the particular sheets, dashboards, likewise. So how this Power BI help to the business end users, this customers, stakeholders, how they are using the Power BI tool after building the reports. So let's see one by one. Now next topic. Yeah, let's see. So our next topic is what is Power BI. So our second topic, what is Power BI and why do we learn. Why we need to learn and use. Let's see full detail on it. Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence tool that everybody knows. Power BI is a business intelligence tool, and we know all that which is a product of Microsoft company, which is a product of Microsoft company. And here, what is the use of Power BI? So this is the main thing. So Power BI is a business intelligence tool, which is a product of Microsoft company. That is Power BI. The Power BI, why we are using, why we are learning Power BI. This is the important thing here. So why? So let's see why we are using Power BI. Power BI helps. Power BI helps to build the worksheets, dashboards, and reports. So it helps the Power BI to build the worksheets, dashboards, reports by using data. So data in the sense, we already discussed about data, right? So that data, from that data we can build the worksheets, dashboards and reports. those reports are those reports are very meaningful and interactive to understand the data. Very meaningful, they are very interactive to understand the data. So, and what we can do from this, so we can do, so once we build the reports, once we build the reports in a sense, dashboards, worksheets, so on. So once we build the reports, we can share those reports to end users, end users, customers, customers. You can share end users, customers, business, stakeholders, stakeholders, and we all used to call clients. These are all the same terminology. Whether you can say end users, customers, business, stakeholders, clients. So we can use, these are all the different terminologies which we can use to share that reports. And what Power BI can do, so here you can add one more point. It would be better to you to understand. So Power BI, Power BI can store the reports and manage the reports and share the reports. So this is the important thing that we can do. So this is why we require Power BI. Power BI is just business intelligence tool. In the sense, it is released by the Microsoft company. So this is application. It helps to build the worksheets, sheets, dashboards, and reports by using data. These reports are very meaningful and interactive to understand the data. So we already discussed about the data. The data we can connect the data to the Power BI environment. Then we start to build the reports based on the client's requirements. Clients, stakeholders, business, customers, end users, their requirement, based on their requirement, we are going to build the reports. This is why we use Power BI. Why we use Power BI? That is the very interactive insights that will give you more insights than just looking at the just by looking at the raw data. So we understand this Power BI released by Microsoft. We know already released into market on or since 2014. Since 2014, it is available in the market. So people are using Power BI. So you can say that it's almost 10 years back, but it became very popular. It is very easy tool to learn and it is very useful to the clients. It will give you a more insightful meaning of charts to understand their day-to-day business. So this is came into market since 2014, which is released by Microsoft. Which is released by Microsoft. So here you just have to understand what is the Power BI and why we need to learn and use. Very simple thing. Just do it. Yeah, let's see. Our next topic is We are dealing with third topic now. The third topic is what are the advantages and disadvantages of Power BI. Let's see. First we see advantages and we see disadvantages. Disadvantages. Let's see what are the advantages. Disadvantages. Advantages are it means Power BI. Power BI is very easy to learn and use. It is very easy to learn and use. Power BI is released by Microsoft. Released by Microsoft company. So it is released by Microsoft company. It is very easy to learn and it can handle huge amount of data. It can handle huge amount of data. And the fourth is less price. When you want to go for license, it's less price. You can say prices. Comparing with Tableau. Tableau is another tool. I already told you in the beginning. So Tableau and Power BI, I'll tell you. So next, it also available for free. So available for free to download and use. So what are the advantages of Power BI is, you can see here, it is very easy to learn. You can easily learn and it is released by Microsoft. Microsoft is a brand, so that's why it became very famous and it is very easy to learn. So that's why all the companies is using. So very demanding tool. It can handle huge amount of data and to compare with Tableau, it is very less price. So compare with Tableau. Keep in mind. It is free to download and use. So you can download it, you can use it as many days as you want, as many times as you want. That is completely free. So just look at the disadvantages. Disadvantages are it can download only on Windows family. Windows family in the sense Windows 10, Windows 11, like that, Windows 8, 9, like that. And the drawback here, just focus more. Drawback is we cannot download and use our work. You can say work on Linux and Mac. Linux and Mac, you can't download it. Only you have to work on Windows family, Windows 10, Windows 10. This is the major drawback from here. And one more drawback, it is less flexible. to use comparing with Tableau. Comparing with Tableau. So this is main important. You just keep in mind. So advantages in the sense it is very easy to learn and use. It is released by Microsoft. It can handle the huge amount of data. The prices is also less to compare with the Tableau, and free to download also. You can use for free. There is license also that will go into discuss right now. So it can download only on the Windows family. This is the major disadvantages. You can't use on Linux operating system, Mac. So only Windows operating system that you can use. Yeah, we move to the next topic. That is fourth topic of the day. So our next topic is what are the different licenses available in Power BI. As we know, we have free to download and use also, and the licenses also there. Let's see what are the different types of licenses also. So mostly organizations use the licenses, but for the student practices, people used to download for free, and they can use and practice on it. So let's see what are the different types of licenses. This is one of the important. So there are two different types of licenses available in Power BI. Let's see what are those. The first license, you can write first license Power BI Pro. You simply remember Power BI Pro. And the another license is Power BI Premium. Power BI Premium. Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium. Let's see, understand what is Power BI Pro. So Power BI Pro Power BI Pro license. It is the cost of Power BI Pro license is $9.9. $9.9 per user per month. So it is the cost is $9.9 per user per month. So what is the advantage from this Power BI Pro license? Let's see. So Power BI Pro license, it share the space of cloud storage. Cloud storage or server, you can say Power BI service. We are going to deal with it to work on the people used to work on this by using this cloud space. That is the cost is $9.9 per user per month. So but here the something drawback that you can say, but within that space within that given space of cloud only people can work. For example, for example, if they are one developer, you can use entire space. If they are 10 developers, they have to share that space, because within that given space only 10 developers has to work. And if they are 20 developers, they have to work within that limited allocated space. And if they are 50 developers, they have to work on this, likewise, so on. So you can understand here by looking at it. So if they are one developer, they can easily work on it, and performance levels also very good. If they are 10 developers, it goes low performance levels, because all the developers is working within the limited, allocated space. So if they are 50 developers, you can imagine. So this is the drawback, and it helps developers. It helps developers to use extensive features to build reports and dashboards, etc. So just understand, this is Power BI Pro. Power BI Pro, what is the license level? This is basic level. So basic level, the cost of Power BI Pro $9.9 per user per month. Remember it. So what the this Power BI Pro provide allocated as, they set the some space. Within that space, allocated space, as many people as we have to use within that space. So that allocated one, if you are one developer, you can use it. 10 developers, you have to use within that space. If you are 20 developers, you have to use within space. If you are 50 developers, you can go likewise. So it helps the developers to use the extensive features. For the free Power BI and the Pro Power BI, there is a difference. You can use the more features of Power BI to play with the data by using Power BI tool. Let's see Power BI Premium. Power BI Premium, let's see. I will write on the down Power BI Premium, because space is not that good. Power BI Premium. Let's see. We are allocating the limited space there. So for that matter, we do have another license types also. Here there are again two types of premium licenses. Premium licenses. What are those? They are, the first one, you can say 1A. First one, premium for individual user. Premium per individual user. This will take you space. Individual user, this is first type. And the second type, premium per capacity, or you can say that group. So this is for individual, this is for group. We will understand how it helps the users. So first we discuss about premium per individual user. So what are the advantages of premium individual users? See, premium individual user, this is for individual. that you can say that the cost of it is $20 per user per month. So for month it is cost of $20 for each user, that is individual level. So the beauty of this one, it gives dedicated space for user. User in the sense each user they can get the dedicated space to work, to build the reports, to build reports, and it increases users work performance. It increases users work performance. So this is, wait a second, and the third one is it helps developers. To use extensive features to build reports. It helps to build reports and dashboards. Let's see here premium. In the premium, the cost of premium one is 5,000 for user per month. User per month. User in the sense, group per month. Here, users in the sense users group of developers. You can say here how it is help. So it is also give the dedicated space, but not at the individual level, but at the group level. Oh, it gone wrong. Right. Better to type it dedicated space to users or group. Users or group to build reports. So it is also help for the extensive features to use extensive features you can use here. All extensive features. Sorry, here also extensive features you can use to build the reports and share reports. So this is the difference between, there are two types of licenses available. One is the pro license. Pro license will give you $10 per month per user to use the cloud space. So when it comes to the Power BI premium, there are two types again. So one is the individual user, one is the group capacity. Individual user, it is $20 per user. Let's say I am a Power BI developer. If I want to take the individual user, I only alone can use this much of space to work. To compare with the Pro, it helps us to use very extensive features and we can improve the performance while working. When it comes to group capacity, if it is there any MNCs, in that cases they take the very big licenses. This license cost is $5,000. So this is for the group. We can use all extensive features to build the reports here. When it comes to the pro license, only small organizations or very limited projects, those people only use it. When it compare with the individual and capacity per user. So now let's move to the next topic. And the yeah, let's see the last topic of the day. Last topic is how to, no, sorry, what are the prerequisites. So fifth topic, what are the prerequisites to install Power BI application in your local PC. See the first requisites for any laptop. For any laptop or desktop, you can say also. On desktop, it required to be have minimum 1 GB or 2 GB free space, 1 GB or 2 GB free space. Free space is important to install Power BI. And you know already, which is works only on Windows family. Remember that. We can't work on Linux and Mac operating systems. It required 1 GB or 2 GB space. And the next, minimum 20 to 40 GB hard disk. Hard disk required to work on Power BI. I'll tell you. Let's just focus on it. Why it is required. So it can be download on both 32-bit and 64-bit laptops. 64-bit laptops. But you can say not. We prefer to use 64-bit laptop for the better performance. For the better performance, you have to use 64-bit. And the last and final point, we already know that There is a license, no license also. So both license and no license can use without license and can use with the license. Licenses I already explained you. That is the pro license, premium per individual user, and premium per group. So licenses also you can use, without license also you can make it practice. So it is totally free, and you can use licenses also, not only totally free. So these are all the prerequisites to install Power BI. I'll explain you. So any laptop, the requirement is 1 GB or 2 GB free space required in your hard disk, in your local drive, that is the local C drive, right? Local drive C. In C drive, it required 1 or 2 GB space. It will give the better performance if you have such space. And we required 20 to 40 GB hard disk. Hard disk in the sense we need to save the some data into the Power BI environment itself. So it required the some hard disk. For that purpose, we need 20 to 40 GB hard disk. So we can download both on 32 GB, 64-bit, 32-bit and 64-bit laptops. But we prefer to use that 64-bit to give the better performance. So of course, all the laptops are 64-bit nowadays, but just saying it. So this is all about our today demo. All about today's class demo. So we'll go for the tomorrow. We will install the Power BI application, and we just have the quick tour on Power BI interface. So thanks for the day.